Hi everyone! Today I'd like to demonstrate how to cook tasty and delicious soya meat in a quick and easy way. What we need here is a pack of soya meat. I usually get it in local supermarket and it is not too expensive. It's not very tasty, but I like to buy it once in a month. Here are the sauces and seasoning we need. A tablespoon of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, half teaspoon of coarse black pepper. Let's heat up the pan at medium-high heat. And I like to use wooden spatula. Pour in the cooking oil. Just do some coating on the surface. After it's getting hot, drop the soya meat. Spread and open them up so that every piece got contact with the hot pan. Leave them grill for about 5 minutes. Flip them with chopsticks and let them grill for another 5 minutes. Oh yes, I forgot to take out this optional ingredient. Red cooking wine. I will put 2 tablespoons on the grilled meat later. Okay guys, after both sides are grilled, let them stay for another 5 minutes. Do some saute movements to avoid burning. After that, pour in light soya sauce. Mix them well. Then pour in sweet soya sauce. Do a quick saute to avoid burning. Let's sprinkle sesame oil. Some black pepper too. Switch off the stove. I'd like to have some wine aroma in this recipe. 2 tablespoons is enough. But it is optional. I like them a little moisture. Do some shaking to mix them well. Smells really good. Look, they are so beautiful. And it's done. Oh my gosh! I can't wait to have some bites. Look at the color! It's so attractive! It is a good companion for a white steamed rice. My lunchtime, I have some kombu soup. I cook it with dashi broth that I make myself. I always have this broth in my fridge. I love to have some warm soup for my lunch or dinner, especially in cold days. It's super important for me. And this is Korean brown seaweed. Try cook it, guys, okay? I bet you'll like it. It's very delicious. Look, it's shiny brown, very tasty. It's not burnt. That's the color of sweet soya sauce. And thank you so much for watching. If you like my cooking, please give thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed, please hit subscribe. It is free to subscribe anyway. See you again.